Hello, good afternoon. Today I'm going to discuss about the basic introduction of computer graphics. So first of all, I like to introduce myself. My name is Khalidamor and my ID is 143154560. So let's get started. The first thing is the contents that we are covering today. The first of all, the introduction to computer graphics, the type of computer graphics, the difference between active and passive graphics, and the application of computer graphics. So the first of all, the in computer graphics definition. So it is generally concerned with all aspects of using a computer to generate image. Also, it's commonly understood to mean the creation, storage, and manipulation of model and images. Interactive computer graphics is basically user controls content, structure, and appearance of object, and the display image via rapid visual feedbacks. Okay, the next one is basic elements of computer graphics, which is main computer graphics application involve that modeling, which is choice of representation, and rendering is just based on geometry, visibility mapping from real world to image space, simulation of interaction of lighting and object, reflection, transmission, emission, and refraction, and animation interaction, which is basically uses uh, for animation and interaction, basically create I mean if we create our animation or interaction, then definitely we use computer graphics. Okay, the next one is type of computer graphics. In a simple way, we can say there are two types of computer graphics, which is sampler or passive computer voice, and interactive or passive computer graphics. So the difference between active and passive graphics, which is we can say that for the passive computer graphics there is no control and only for one-way communication and no interaction between user and hardware, also earlier supported, and there is no facility to motion and updating. If we're talking about the active computer graphics, then we can control it by dynamic nature, and also it's a two-way communication, which is two-way communication and high bandwidth the user interaction, and it also support modern application, and we can also update 2D and 3D transmission. So the application of computer graphics, here you can see the application of computer graphics, which is CAD, image synthesis, entertainment visualization, multimedia graphics, user interface, visual reality, desktop publishing. And the next one is some movies based on computer graphics, which is The Matrix, Ratatouille, and Star Wars. So these movies are based on computer graphics because some kinds of content in this movie which is practically impossible to do for a human being. So if we use computer graphics, then we can also create those scenes. So the entertainment industry plays many important role in this field of computer graphics. Leaders in quality and artistry, no slaves to conceptual purity, big budgets, and tight schedule that I've already said, that practically, which is some kinds of scene that is practically impossible. So that's why we are using computer graphics. So, and content reminder that there is more to computer graphics than technology. Then computer graphics, some kinds of then computer graphics for games. Nowadays, or if we go to our childhood days, then computer graphic, then we can be imagined that like any games can be created by without computer graphics, because it impact from games industry huge of amount, then focus of interactivity, cost effective solution, avoiding computation and other tricks, game drive and baselines, education and training, which is very important part. Computer graphics is almost used in every field to teach and train medicines, human anatomy models. So we can use computer graphics by create anatomy models so that we can represent in a conference, or it can be a better understanding for students or for us, basically. For engineering, animated model explaining the work of different models. Fashion designing, for fashion designing we can say there is no way without computer graphics, because we can visualization our imagination by computer graphics. So designing, creating for new patterns, which is for this field, computer graphics is very important. And thank you all for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye bye.